Hello everyone, John Richards here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about goal setting steps. I'm going to teach you a 3-step formula that really makes goal setting a lot easier. Hey, before we get started, I want to make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the bell notification on the side so you get notified of any future videos. 3 goal setting steps. So first step is you got to make sure you have an outcome, a result. Where are you headed? You don't want to take a bunch of actions unless you're really specific on the outcome, what the result is. An outcome or result would be, I weigh 220 pounds. I made $150,000. I achieved a certain rank in my business. Be specific so when you hit it, you know you hit it. Now here's the thing about outcomes. You don't really control the outcome. You control the next goal that I'm going to teach you is a process goal. Now a process goal is that daily, no more than weekly actions you're going to take to hit your goal. Okay, so when you have an outcome, you need to brainstorm everything you can think of that it'll take to achieve that goal. Whatever it is, if it's weight loss, everything you can think of. How am I going to eat? What's the workouts look like? All of that. Then you want to identify the top 3. You don't want to have more than 3 process goals. You can't hold on to more than 3. I see people all the time, they'll have 20, 30 process goals to hit a certain goal, or they keep changing the process. You don't want to do that. You want to get your process goals set, and then the third step is you want to schedule it. You want to schedule it as a reoccurring appointment. So let's say you're trying to achieve a certain rank in your network marketing business. Maybe it's 20 dials a day, 5 days a week, from 1:30 to 4 o'clock, whatever it is. You schedule that into your calendar as reoccurring. Now it's like a rock in the middle of the stream. Everything else has to go around it. Somebody calls you to go to lunch, and it's at 1 o'clock, and you're doing that process goal at 1 o'clock, you should say no. Okay, that's how you achieve your goals. That's the steps it takes. So again, you have to have an outcome. You have to know where you're headed. What's that look like? And be really specific. If you write it down and you look at it and you say, I know when I hit that because it's very specific. I know exactly what it is. The second goal you want to have is a process goal. And that's the actions, daily, no more than weekly actions. Now here's an important thing about process goals. It needs to be something you can do on your worst day. It needs to be ordinary. So don't say you're going to make 150 calls a day if you know you can't make 150 calls a day. Don't say you're going to work out at the gym 7 days a week, 5 hours a day when you know that's not going to happen. Don't say you're going to eat clean, perfectly clean 7 days a week because you know it's not going to happen. So it needs to be something you can do on your worst day. And then the third step is schedule it. Make sure it's on your schedule. Anything gets scheduled gets completed. Don't put it on a do list. It won't happen. So go out and start setting goals this way, man. I tell you, you will see a definite change in your goal setting, but goal achieving. Hey, if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Hey, make sure you comment and tell me how you're setting goals. And ask me any questions you like. I've been doing this for a long time. And also, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you click the bell notification on the side so you get notified of any future videos. Go out and make it an awesome day today, guys. Thank you so much.